Have you ever asked ChatGPT a question and gotten a disappointing generic answer? Meanwhile, you see others getting incredible detailed responses that seem almost magical. The difference isn't luck, it's how they prompt. Today, I'm going to show you the exact four-step framework that transforms basic prompts into perfect prompts, taking your AI results from ordinary to extraordinary. Most people approach AI like they're asking a friend a quick question. They type something like, "Write me a marketing email," and wonder why they get bland, generic content that sounds like everyone else's. The truth is, AI is incredibly powerful, but it needs the right instructions to shine. Think of it like hiring an expert consultant. You wouldn't just say, "Help me with business," and expect great results, right? That's where the perfect prompt framework comes in. It's a simple four-step process that I use to consistently get outstanding results from any AI tool. And the best part? Once you learn it, you'll never go back to basic prompting again. Let me break down each step. Step 1. Tell the AI what type of expert it should act as. Instead of talking to a generic AI, you're now talking to a specialist. Say things like, "Act as an experienced marketing director," or "You are a professional copywriter with 10 years of experience." Step 2. Give relevant background context. Provide the AI with the specific details it needs to understand your situation. This is like briefing your expert consultant before they start working. Step 3. Ask your specific question. Now, ask what you actually want, but be clear and specific about your desired outcome. Step 4. Add this magic phrase. End with, "If anything is unclear or you need additional details to improve your response, please ask me for clarification." This turns the AI into a collaborative partner instead of a one-and-done response generator. Let me show you the dramatic difference this makes with a real example. Basic prompt, "Write me a marketing email." Typical AI response, you'd get something generic like, "Subject, check out our products." "Hi there. We have some great products you might like. Click here to see them. Thanks." Pretty underwhelming, right? Now here's the perfect prompt version. Act as an experienced email marketing specialist with expertise in e-commerce. "I run a small online business selling handmade candles, and I want to create a welcome email for new subscribers to my newsletter. My target audience is primarily women aged 25 to 45 who appreciate artisanal, eco-friendly home products. I want the email to be warm and personal. Introduce my brand story and include a 15% discount code for first-time buyers. The tone should be friendly but professional. If anything is unclear or you need additional details to improve your response, please ask me for clarification." The AI's response. Now you get a personalized, professional email with a compelling subject line, a warm brand story, strategic placement of the discount code, and often the AI will even ask follow-up questions like, "Would you like me to suggest some specific candle scents to highlight?" Or, "Should I include seasonal messaging?" See the difference? The perfect prompt framework doesn't just give you better content, it gives you a collaborative AI partner that understands your needs and delivers professional quality results every time. Whether you're writing emails, creating content, solving problems, or brainstorming ideas, this framework works across all AI tools and all use cases. Your homework is simple. Take your next AI prompt and apply these 4 steps. I guarantee you'll be amazed at the difference. And remember, the AI wants to help you succeed, but it needs the right instructions to do its best work. Try it today and let me know in the comments how much better your results become.